In this tutorial, I'll show you how to merge or combine multiple PDFs into one on Mac or Windows or even iOS and Android using PDFGear. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'll leave the link below. This is a free application for Windows, macOS, iOS and Android, and I've already downloaded and installed it right here. And I do have the PDF files I want to merge together. So 3 PDF files here. So let's go back to PDFGear. Now, from the home page, all I need to do is just click on Merge and Split, and from here, click on Merge PDF. Once I do that, a new pop-up window is going to load, and this dialog box has everything we need to merge, split, compress, Word to PDF, and everything that we need. But all we want is just to add the files. I'll click on Add Files and navigate to the folder with the files I want to merge. Click on that, and then select all files, and then click on Open. Now, one neat thing I like about this is that you get to know how many pages you're dealing with. For example, for this particular one, for the second one as well. And also you can move them up and down depending on the order that you want for the PDFs. So let's assume you're satisfied with that particular order. I'll just click on Merge and you'll see Merge Complete, and it's going to open up in a new window because we have that set to open up in Explorer. So we've got all the PDFs here, the 3 PDFs, and if I just double click on it, it's going to open up right there. Let's go to the Start, and you can see all the pages as you want to see them. So I've just minimized them so that we can see them. But all that happened is that all the files were just merged in the order that we set them right there. As you continue, you can see all the different PDFs, and this is for ease of knowing what PDFs you have and what PDFs you don't have. But that is how you can easily merge or combine multiple PDFs into one on Mac or Windows for free using PDFGear. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.